Hey guys, welcome back. Giving you guys a quick unboxing and review of this MPOW dash mount for your phone. Got this off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. So just run through it real quick. This is gonna be quick, guys. This right here is the actual mount, the holder. As you can see, it's branded. It has a little soft cushion on it. The clamps lock in place, and it has a little push button on the side. This is the actual mounting bracket. This is what you'll apply to your dashboard. I've been using it for a while now. It's pretty durable. It's telescoping on the neck, and it gives you quite a bit of range. But only downside about it is it doesn't move from side to side. So once you put it in place, that's it. I mean, you can go up, you can go down, you can go in and out, and you can rotate this the actual mount piece on the front of it 360 degrees. So I mean, that gives you a little bit of freedom, but you know, if you need to face it and direct it towards you, or you know, whatever most comfortable for you when you mount it on your dashboard. On the bottom of the unit, you know, as you can see there, you know, it has some plastic on it, which is an adhesive. It's a suction cup, but it has like a sticky film to it. So wherever you stick it at, expect it to, it's not going to leave any residue, but it is going to be difficult to remove, a little bit difficult to remove, but not too much to where it'll damage your dashboard. Right here, you see the little push button release when you put your phone in it. As I pan around the side, you can see how it's mounted on my dashboard. This is inside my 2015 Corolla. And I mean, it works great. I only had one issue out of it where it fell off just because of the heat. It was in the heat, the car was out there, it was like over 90 degrees, and it just fell off. I mean, it reattached without a problem. It's just that suction cup gets real malleable. As you can see right here, it has that, you know, that sticky feel to it. But all in all, it's a good mount, and I enjoy using it. I hope you guys do too if you choose to select it. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from me. Catch you later.